Hi, Brent here from Multi-Hull Central, and today we're going to show you through a very unique Seawind 1160 Lite that we're taking to the Sanctuary Cove Boat Show in just a few weeks' time. Optimised for off-the-grid cruising, it has 1,000 watts of lithium battery backed up by 1,485 watts of solar panels in a unique design off the transom. In addition to that, it has an electric barbecue, electric oven, electric induction stovetop, and a full suite of electronics that's fully powered by the solar. Rarely does a single-minded, highly focused boat that is as new as well designed as the Seawind Moon come on the market. Starting from the base of a highly successful Seawind 1160 Lite, the owners sought to design the ultimate go-anywhere off-grid expedition yacht. The first principle was energy self-sufficiency, coupled with no LPG on the boat. To that end, a complete Victron-based energy system was developed, with 1,000 watts of lithium batteries, 1,485 watts of solar energy is never an issue. Certainly more than enough to power an induction cooktop, electric oven, or an electric barbecue. The owners have lived aboard since launch and have never experienced any lack of energy. The system even provides sufficient power to operate the onboard air conditioning. The second principle was no salt water on the boat, and accordingly an electric water maker is fitted with all water usage items, including toilets that are plumbed to fresh water. This serves as a number of purposes and reduces odour and hydroscopic action in the interior of the yacht. As any cruiser knows, the dinghy system was one of the most important parts of the cruising liveaboard lifestyle, particularly if you cruise in coral or crocodile waters. So the third principle was an effectively indestructible dinghy with an engine that was, from a powerhead point of reference, identical to the main propulsion engines on the vessel. The solution was an Oceancraft alloy rib with a 25 horsepower 4-stroke Yamaha. This provides for extraordinary redundancy in propulsion, reduction in the amount of spares needed, and worldwide access to support spares. Principle 4 was quality. The execution of this is demonstrated by the use of Vespa and B&G electronics, a masthead mounted camera, carbon bowsprit and ultra anchor, along with a sail wardrobe that features main and jib in a Barracuda Genoa, Jenica and Storm jib. This extraordinary boat, less than 2 years old, still has over 3 years of factory warranty and completely ready to cruise the world in an off-grid manner. Not only is she priced well below replacement value, but is she available now. Seamoon will be on display at the Sanctuary Cove Boat Show. For an info pack on this fantastic boat, click here. To see a full review of the Seawind 1160, click here.